Hi everyone, just a quick forewarning before this video gets started. There is a lot of mention of domestic abuse in various ways. So if you are sensitive to that, maybe I suggest not to watch this video, though this video is very healing in the post-process of domestic abuse. So hopefully if you do decide to watch, it could help you heal as well. Either way, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and experiencing this moment with me and my friends. Thank you guys. All right. Hello everybody, my name is Jeannie Beats and we are here to perform this release of negative energy ritual. For 7 years, Marcus abused me within my marriage to him. And tonight, we release all of his negative influences that not only affect just me, but those involved. He has left his influences on me, Hund the Hound, Kenai the Husky, Delta Evergreen, and Lily the Fox. And I want nobody close to me to have to hold on to the weight of the pain and anger that he has caused. So tonight, we all will release the negative energy that he has put on us. Here's to the mention of our relationship never escaping my lips ever again. I remember our fights that felt like volcanoes erupting. I remember you trying to make friends on dating apps all because you couldn't make friends like I could, only to be talking solely to women. I remember Emily, the Amish woman you tried to bring in as a third into our relationship without my consent. I remember Kylie, God's bless her soul, for she is sweet and kind, but deeply haunted with pain. I remember you taking away gifts that, I remember you taking away gifts that you had given me, claiming ownership over them because you had bought them. I remember the plate that nearly hit my head, the suitcase, the oil full of hot wax, the food cabinet. I remember every time you placed your hand on my face to silence me or on my hair to control me. I remember the fights that seemed to push me past my breaking point, trying so desperately to get you to understand me, to the point I literally felt I was going insane. I remember the few times I put a knife to my neck, hoping to have the courage to end it all right then and there, no longer wanting to live this unfair and abusive life. I'm glad I didn't though, because I found love that isn't conditional like yours was. I found love that is patient and forgiving and uplifting, something your love never was. So it is now that I call upon the spirits and ask my friends to repeat after me. We call upon the spirits of the north to aid us.
We call upon the spirits of the north to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the east to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the east to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the south to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the south to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the west to aid us.
We call upon the spirit of the west to aid us.
Go Lily first.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. One.
Goodbye, Marcus. May us all be protected. Let us all be cleansed to no longer hold this weight anymore. This anger, this pain that he has caused, may it no longer weigh us down, and we walk away stronger and lighter than before. So say, so will it be.
So will it be.